Today, we want to learn about body was the tools used to clean it. This body part is ear. To clean it, we use cotton buds. This body part is face. To clean it, we use facial cleansing soap. This body part is hand. To clean it, we use nail clipper. This body part is body. To clean it, we use soap. Now you know. Are you ready to play the match? Body was the tools used to clean it. Let's play. Time's up. Are you correct? Good. Wanna play again? Before that we learn about other body part. This body part is hair. To clean it, we use shampoo. This body part is teeth. To clean it, we use toothbrush. This body part is back. To clean it, we use back brush. This body part is foot. To clean it, we use pumice stone. Now you know. Are you ready to play match? Body was the tools used to clean it. Let's play. Time's up. Are you correct? Wonderful. See you in my next video. Don't forget. 2.